Here's one for the Mustang fans. It's a 1996 Ford Mustang GT Coupe. Actually a 2-owner car. Clean Carfax, no accidents indicated. Second owner has had it for the past 21 years. Just doesn't drive it anymore and decided it was time for somebody else to enjoy it. 4.6 liter V8 underneath the hood. 5-speed manual transmission. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. You can take a look at the front fascia. Paint doesn't show too bad on it. I believe this would be considered Rio Red in 96. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, trunk. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That'll take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see a couple little scuffs on that front. Riding on the stock wheels. General radial G-Max tires. They're actually date coded 2017, plenty of tread left on them, so good shape on the tires. Newer clutch, pressure plate, and flywheel have been done. It's one of those cars, turn the key, get in and go. You can see no major nicks, dings, scratches, couple little minor things. Little one right back here. I don't even know if I can get that to show up. Small one there, a little one here. It is a 100,000 mile car, just a little over. So I mean, it has been driven, but plenty of life left in this one. And if you're looking for a fun sports car without breaking the bank, here you go. And once again, all those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Of course, dual exhaust. A couple notes from the technician that looked at this one in our service department. Serpentine belt, good shape. Brakes are 60% in the front, 60% in the rear. And if you like Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Get pretty much every year Mustang through here at one time or another. A lot of Roushes, Shelbys, Salines. You never know. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You can see up and down the driver's side on this one. Again, no major nicks, dings, or scratches. You might find a little scuff here or there. And some of these I can't even really get to show up in the camera, but they're there, pretty small. Being pretty picky considering kind of year and miles. All right, modern amenities, of course: power mirrors, power locks, power windows, cloth bucket seats. This would be a power seat over on the driver's side also. Seats don't show too bad. Headliner, good shape. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run. Stick around to the very end of this video. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's the exact miles, 109.78. There's also a Pioneer CD changer behind the back driver's side seat. So of course that seat will fold down so you can get at it. I'll show you that here in a second. All right, let's take a look at the dash first off. Clock, of course, working there. Now, warning lights had a chance to go off. They just come on it, key in, and ignition on, of course. Fuel gauge looks like it works. That was a cold start, so I wouldn't expect that temp gauge to be up. Oil pressure, battery gauge normal. Tachometer working. This car sounds good. Radio working. Steve Miller. And how about this? There's that head unit for the CD changer, and it looks like there's also a remote here, and it's got 89.1. So you tune in this radio to 89.1, and I believe the frequency from that CD changer will play through your radio that way. I do believe that's how it works. There's your 5-speed manual. Like I said, nice sounding car. Slip around to the back so you'd hear it. Oh, throaty rumble. Sounds good. All right, let me me slip up to the front. I want to show you this engine bay. So I'm going to pause this a second. Let me get this hood propped open. I'll show you the engine bay, and then, like I said, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Even the hood light working. Look at that. All right. Battery even replaced with a Motocraft. 4.6 liter single overhead cam modular V8 engine. Good power plant. Looks pretty stock, the exception of does have a K in there, and air filter that's been added. Smooth runner. Power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. A lot of bang for the buck. Fun sports car without breaking the bank. 1996 Ford Mustang GT Coupe, 2-owner car, clean Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1996 Ford Mustang in red. We got a black and gray interior, looking good. 5-speed manual transmission for the most fun. This car starts up right away, runs nicely right away. Responsive throttle you'd expect from a 90s fuel injected car. Clutch feels good, easy to shift. Our gauges are working. The fuel gauge, however, shows over full all the way to full. The coolant temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up from cold. Speedometer says we're doing 55 miles an hour. Tachometer working. Battery's charging over halfway on the gauge, and oil pressure also over halfway on the gauge. Stereo system. That is working. Have not tested cassette, but FM is working. Blower motor also works on this car. Clock up on top of the dash working. Comfortable cloth bucket seats in this Mustang. Black headliner. Black dash. Blending in nicely with that gray. The brakes feel good. They work effectively. Start out here in first gear from a stop on the traffic circle. Corner's nice and flat. This car corners well. Just enough rumble to have some fun. And know that you're having fun, I should say. Cruise control is functioning. Be sure to check out all the pictures of this Mustang at uniqueclassiccars.com.